Hi guys, welcome back to MK Trains. Today, I'm doing an update on my 3D printed train. Okay, so, as you can see, I got it printed. I did not print this myself, because I do not have a 3D printer yet. I do hope to get one in the future though. But, this has been printed for me out of ABS plastic. So this is like the little chassis piece. It has some holes for the axles, and in the rectangular holes there are like for the pickups, once I add pickups. I'll get to that in a minute. But here we have some gears to aid in the gear reduction. My camera will focus. Yep. Some little gears there, and of course a worm gear. And then over here we have some wheels, which you might have noticed are just 3D printed out of plastic. That is because making this locomotive track powered was getting a little bit too complicated. So I ended up just printing those out of plastic, well, getting them printed out of plastic. And then eventually I will get some new wheels that have like a metal tire so that they can pick up power. But for now, it's just going to be battery powered, because the motors that I bought to put in this thing, they are 24,000 RPM motors. I just got them off of Amazon. They do rotate very fast, which is why I have these gears here, because I need a lot of gear reduction to get it down to at least an acceptable speed. But those also came with a bunch of wire, which will be helpful, and some battery packs, as well as some 2mm diameter axles, which will fit through the holes in my wheels. So that's what I'm going to be using to power this thing. Yeah, so that's how the project is going so far. Hopefully soon I can actually finish assembling it. Next week, I'm going to be releasing a video on the train show that I went to yesterday in St. Louis. So stay tuned for that. Until then, I'll see you next time.